the mother of Biak na Bato. Trinidad Tecson was born in Bulacan. She was one of the 16 children of Rafael Tecson and Monica Perez as a girl. She was very pretty. She was very brave. Too, she enjoyed playing soldier. She always wore a pair of pants so she could move well. She did not like playing girls' games. When her father asked her to what she would like to be when she grew up, Trinidad said that would like to be a soldier. When the revolution broke out Trinidad, Tecson led her soldier bravely in real battles. When she was wounded, she did not rest but continued her part in the revolution. She helped take care of the sick and wounded soldiers in Biak na Bato. She became known as the mother of the